Hey guys, I'm Henry.
I'm Ian.
And we are Bosh. Welcome to another episode of the Bish Bash Bosh Book Club.
Today we're going to be talking you through the photography in this fantastic cookbook.
And really we're going to talk through the whole process. You know, how did we create all of the photographs in this book? Who was involved? For any of you who are like budding photographers or cookbook authors, this might be really interesting.
Now, we worked with a fantastic photographer known as Lizzie Mason, or called Lizzie Mason. She really is one of the best in the game, and the proof is firmly in the pudding.
So there's an example of a really gorgeous shot.
Henry, looking good.
Find another one. Sure, there's one of you looking good in here as well, mate.
Oh, mate, I don't know about that.
Every single one, come on, here we go.
Here we go. Woo!
Look at Ian fondly cutting that dessert.
Man, my dessert cutting skills are very good.
Yeah?
As you can see.
Yeah, you're well trained in squaring off a dessert. And another example of a great photograph, which actually isn't even a recipe, is just this beautiful one at the back. Look at that.
I mean, to be fair, that could be in an art gallery.
Yeah, that is absolutely beautiful.
Yeah.
So Lizzie did a great job of taking photos of all of our recipes. Lizzie also had the help of Steph McLeod, helping her take incredible photos, and it was a wonder to work with them and watch them carefully focusing on different parts of the plate, you know, spotting millimeter differences in focus.
Now, we have learnt from Lizzie and on this food journey we've been on that the best food photography comes when you have natural light. And this book was all filmed, what, September of last year? All in natural light in southwest London, and it just pops off the page.
So if you had been there, it was a 3.5 week shoot in a very sunny warehouse in southwest London. And if you'd been there, you would have seen people putting around giant polystyrene boards which are effectively reflecting sunlight in and controlling the sunlight. So no artificial light at all was used in this photograph.
The prop styling
was used in this photograph, was used in this book. No artificial light at all was used in this book. It was all natural.
The prop styling in this book is really, really very, very good. The prop stylist, Sarah Burks, has truly outdone herself with this. It's really not easy thinking about those tiny little subtleties for every single picture.
It's hard to believe when you're coming from outside of this world that that's even a job, being a prop stylist. So you're kind of designing the plates, choosing the plates. But actually, now that we've seen her action, we completely get it. The lady is a legend, she's talented, she's an artist.
Someone else who's an absolute legend is Frankie Unsworth, the food stylist who worked on this book. Her food styling skills are second to none. She is truly an artist.
It was amazing to watch Frankie at work. She actually has her own cookbook. I think it's called The Modern Art of Cooking. It's kind of about cooking and food styling. And it's just amazing to see how much care and attention goes into making a photograph like that look good.
Yeah, sometimes cookbooks, well, in fact, cookbooks should be pieces of art because you flick through them and you want to be wowed and impressed. And we've flicked through this hundreds of times now, and every single time you just find a little bit of something that is just really shockingly good.
So it was a pleasure to work with all of those people. I suppose, yeah, but just in terms of letting you know what happened, we had 3.5 weeks in a shoot space. Everyone was down there, so it was a big old team that went into creating this book. But also we had everyone at our publisher who was helping behind the scenes, from the designer who made that book look so beautiful and helped us pick out that green, to our editor, to the whole team, and Lisa Milton's team of geniuses at HQ.
We toiled and troubled on the front cover of this book to work out which photography should end up on the middle. And here we go. These are the 6 that we've picked, and we think that the 6 just are a really good representation of what this book really is about. And also, look, we're on there as well.
So we're super hyped about this book. That's what happened at the Bosh Cookbook, the Bish Bash Bosh Cookbook photo shoot. We hope you've enjoyed this episode of the Bish Bash Bosh Book Club.
You are going to love the Bish Bash Bosh Cookbook. You are going to love the Bish Bash Bosh Cookbook. It's available to pre-order right now. You can get it in the link below.
See you next time.
Bish
Bash Bosh.